Hello everyone there, this is Vishal from Dubai and this is the unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Yes, Note 7, it's here already. I just mentioned my location Dubai because wanted to let you know that UAE is one of the few countries where Samsung has already started shipping it. The device just unveiled 2 days back in US and I already have it, so it's quite fast shipping. So first thing about the pricing is that I got it in around 3000 dirhams, which turns out to be $830, 730 euro and 55,000 INR, just in case you need the conversion. So since I had pre-booked it, I have got 128 GB micro SD card class 10, which is quite a good storage, along with the inbuilt 64 GB. Yes, so Samsung has increase the base memory storage to 64 GB and that's quite good. I hope other manufacturers will follow the same because inbuilt 16 GB or 32 GB is not sufficient these days, since we have 4K videos in every damn phone nowadays. Yeah. So along with the micro SD card, I also got some Galaxy Entertainer app, which is very famous here in the Gulf. Thousands of buy one get one free offers across variety of merchants, and some holiday factory savings. Hope I'll be using it. So talking about the color, yes, this is black onyx. Note 7 is coming with 4 different colors. Along with the black, we have silver, gold and coral blue. That's the new addition to the Samsung colors, coral blue, but unfortunately not every market will be having it. Talking about back, yes, it highlights some of the key features. The most important, the gorgeous screen. Yes, 5.7-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED. We all know by now and we all love these Super AMOLED screens. Dual pixel cameras, 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel, same setup as Galaxy S7 and Edge. Those are probably one of the best cameras in the market with fastest autofocus. IP68 water resistance. Yes, it is first for the Note series. So what does this IP68 rating means? It allows your phone to withstand for 30 minutes under the water up to depth of 1.5 meters. For layman, it just means that it can survive any practical wet scenarios. For example, picking up phone in the rain, you just accidentally drop your phone inside the swimming pool, or you can literally rinse it under the running water. So yeah, that's good to have. Even the S Pen is waterproof. Next is the iris scanner. Yes, first for the Samsung again. Iris scanner is added biometric feature along with the fingerprint scanning. So yeah, and I have seen it in couple of videos and it's quite fast. It works in low light conditions as well, so that's a good and advanced security, which is more tougher than the fingerprint scanning. Knox protection, this is Samsung's additional security layer over the Android security, which is quite robust. Even UK and US government bodies have given approval for this. 64 GB memory we already mentioned, and wireless charging. Yes, this comes with fast wireless charging. Last side highlighting that this is the dual SIM version. Second SIM slot is hybrid, which means you can either use it for external micro SD card or for the second SIM card. So that was walkthrough around the box. Let's try to unleash the beast. So before I go on, I just wanted to let you guys, please bear with me. This is my first hands-on videos. I don't have any professional lighting and cameras. And here we have Note 7 already. Yeah. Wow, it is looking gorgeous. Full black. Good thing is even the frame around it is carbon matte and it's not the silver which I was hoping for. So this is looking amazing. I'll just quickly walk you through the device. Front facing Samsung logo, iris scanning mechanism includes 5 megapixel front facing selfie camera, usual setup around volume up and down buttons, lock screen button, At the top you have noise cancellation microphone, SIM card tray. This is fingerprint scanner, home button. Also you will get two capacitors button on the sides. At the bottom you have 3.5 mm audio jack, USB-C. Yes, USB-C. So this is not a micro USB that Samsung has been using since long. They have upgraded finally. This is quite fast and reversible, so you don't have to fumble around, inserting the correct side inside. Microphone and speaker grill, and the signature feature, S Pen. Yes, this is quite light, as Samsung has already mentioned. This is just 3 grams, and even nip is quite sharp, 0.7 mm, which should give you the regular ballpoint experience. Now before I turn on the device, let's see what else is inside the box. Let me just put it back. This is the pin for SIM card tray. We have adaptive fast charger, USB cable, which is USB-C, headsets. Hope they are good one, as I had with Note 5. This is USB to USB-C connector. And this is something for backward compatibility, just in case you have old peripherals like your old chargers which still works on micro USB, you can use them to convert. And this, I don't know. So that's it in the box. And yes, that's it about the unboxing. I'll just try to start the phone, but this is not the hands-on video, so I'll probably try to do another video of it only after looking at this, that if this is watchable for you guys. Galaxy Note 7. So that's it from my side. Hope I could give you some information. Thank you guys.